How to hide your Facebook all photos. First, open your Facebook app on your device. After then, tap on three dot line your profile icon. Scroll down, see and find this option setting and privacy. Tap on setting and privacy. Next, tap on setting option. Tap on setting. After then, scroll down your menu bar. When you scroll, you will see this option, profile and tracking. Tap on this. After then, and see this option, tagging limited mention. Tap on here and scroll down and see and find this option, only me. Select this option. After then, you interface this option. Save. Thanks for watching this video.